I blindfolded my mom so we can taste test her palate.
I'm not cheating.
Chili oil.
Some spicy fry. Chili?
Yeah. Baked potato.
I don't know. Kiwi?
Final answer?
Yeah.
No, it's a baked potato. Aloo. Aapka aloo. So you're making aloo parathe and you forgot that you have aloo on the counter.
Sorry. ऐसे लगा kiwi.
Sweetened condensed milk.
But can you give me more? Sweet yogurt?
No, sweetened condensed milk.
Oof.
Strawberry.
Mango?
Strawberry. You're flopping to it. Clarified butter.
Some oily stuff, but I don't know. Peanut butter, right?
Ghee.
Oh my god. Desi ghee.
Yup.
Oh.
Green onions.
Onion, lettuce?
Choose one. Those are 2 ingredients.
But I feel too, I don't know. Onion ज़्यादा लग रहा है.
Okay, yeah, it's green onions.
Oh my god.
Like you have it every day for anda. You flop, not impressed.
You make me flop.